Grapevine Police say this man coughed in an officer's face and claimed he had coronavirus. 27-year-old Jonathan Dechoudens is charged with a third-degree felony, harassment of a public servant. The officer says he was sitting in his marked patrol unit off Northwest Highway around 12:45 in the morning with his driver's side window down. That's when he claims Dechoudens ran up, coughed in his face, and said he had coronavirus. He then claimed it was all a joke. The officer coughed on is now monitoring his health daily, but hasn't shown any symptoms. Johnston for CBS 11 News.